India's unemployment rate rose slightly in January 2026, according to the periodic labor force survey released by the National Statistics Office under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. The unemployment rate for people aged 15 years and above increased to 5% in January, up from 4.8% in December 2025. Joblessness went up in both rural and urban areas. The labor force participation rate dropped slightly to 55.9% in January from 56.1% in December, meaning a smaller number of people were either working or actively looking for jobs. The worker population ratio also declined, indicating that fewer people were actually employed. Officials said the rise in unemployment was mainly driven by rural areas after the harvest season. Job opportunities in agriculture, construction, transport, and small trade usually slow down during winter. As a result, rural unemployment increased from 3.9% to 4.2%. Urban unemployment also rose slightly from 6.7% to 7%, though officials said urban job markets remained largely stable. Experts say the increase in small, seasonal, and temporary, especially in rural areas. Employment levels are expected to improve as economic activity picks up in the coming months.